Tired of mechanic bills draining your wallet? Let's fix that today. I've been a mechanic for over 30 years, and I'm giving you 5 simple car fixes anyone can do at home.
No fancy tools, no drama, just easy savings and car confidence.
Hit like so more drivers see this, and let's get started. These are beginner car maintenance wins that boost safety, reliability, and fuel economy. Shops charge a fortune for these, but you can do them yourself. Fix number 1, the engine air filter. Pop the hood, open the air box, pull the old filter, and drop in a new one. It takes 2 minutes, costs $15 to $20, and improves performance. If it looks dark, dusty, or clogged, it's time to replace it. Fix number 2, windshield wipers. If your windshield streaks in the rain, swap your wipers. Slide the old blade off, click the new one on. 5 minutes, $10, and clear vision again. Fix number 3, tire pressure and tread check. Use a gauge and set your tires to the PSI listed on your door sticker. Proper pressure means better braking, handling, and mileage. Do the penny test for tread. If you see the top of Lincoln's head, replace the tire. Low tread plus rain equals hydroplaning. Fix number 4, oil change basics. Warm the engine, pull the drain plug, change the filter, and add the right oil. At home it costs around $35 to $50 versus $100 at a shop. Change on schedule for a longer lasting engine. Recycle the old oil at an auto parts store.
Fix number 5, battery replacement.
If your car won't start, disconnect the negative cable first, then positive. Remove the hold down, lift the battery, and drop in the new one. Reconnect positive first, then negative. 10 minutes and you're back on the road.
Bonus tip, restore cloudy headlights.
Use a restore kit. Clean, sand lightly, polish, and seal. 15 minutes and night visibility improves instantly. Always use jack stands on solid ground, set the parking brake, and wear safety glasses. If something feels unsafe, stop and check the manual or a trusted guide. Minimum tool list, socket set, tire gauge, torque wrench, oil filter wrench, funnel, gloves, and shop towels. These pay for themselves quickly. Do these 5 fixes and you'll save hundreds every year, drive safer, and learn your car.
This is real-world car maintenance for beginners. Simple and effective.
Comment your biggest car question below and I'll answer the top ones. Hit like if you learned something, and subscribe for weekly DIY car repair tips.
Next up, tools I'd buy first in 2025 and how to replace brake pads at home step by step.